The advice that I give my clients is to try to minimize the conflict if you can. And I talk to them a little bit about the social science, about children who are in conflicted parental systems. And I tell them that it's hurting your children if you put the children in the middle of a custody fight. They're the ones who suffer the most. And the social science is clear on this. I'll give you an example. Say you're at a soccer game or some other activity of the children, all right? And mom's on one side of the field and dad's way over on the other extreme side of the field, and they're watching the game. But they're not acknowledging each other at all. They're not hanging out with the group of parents that are supporting that team. At the end of the game, that child is going to look at one parent over here, and he's going to look at the other parent over there, and he's going to wonder, if I go to the parent on my right, am I going to make the parent on my left mad? And vice versa. They're the ones that are going to take on this conflict that's going on between the parents. Now, the other example is, say the parents are standing at this game. They're not like right next to each other, although I've seen that happen. But they're in the group of parents. They're on the same side of the sideline. They're within 20, 30 feet of each other. At the end of the game, the child comes over. Both parents go to greet the child. They congratulate him. They give him a hug or her a hug. They ask him a couple questions. And then it's time for the child to go with whoever has parenting time after the game, and off they go. Now that's the kind of relationship that I try to influence my clients to create with the other parent, because the social science is clear. The kids whose parents are getting along and behaving the way I just described, those are the kids that are going to graduate on time, they're going to do well in school, they're not going to be suicidal, they're not going to have drug use issues. They have a chance to succeed in life that's a lot higher than the kids in the conflicted relationships, and that's just a fact.